I'm going to show you how to make a shop towel mask. These are ACO 2 3/4 inch prong fasteners, which you can get at any office supply. They're not expensive, pretty cheap. These are shop towels, which come in rolls. They also come in a box, but the rolls are less expensive. You take a fastener and you just fold it out. And what I do is I tape it in the center of one edge, the long edge of the shop towel. And then I take tape and I tape down the center and each end of the fastener. And then I bend it once, tape it again, it helps to have your tape already pulled off and stuck somewhere handy. So then you have one fold, fold it again, tape it again, and now you're ready to start your pleats. Take about a 1-inch pleat and you just keep folding it in an accordion style, like you're making a paper fan. You know how you used to make paper fans when you were a kid? It's the same process. So you just make this fan and you fold it over and over until you get to the side, and then you just crease it down, and then you take a stapler and you staple on top where your fastener is, and staple one time. Take a pair of sharp scissors, fan out your pleats about halfway through, and then snip that. Take a 3.5 inch rubber band. I think these are called size 33 if you're ordering them from an office supply place or whatever. These are a size 33 rubber band, and they're approximately 3.5 inches long. Then you just trim the ends a little bit so that you don't have all that excess right up against your face. Then you flip it, hold on to it, staple the other end one time. Make sure your staples are on the same side so that you don't have a kind of a sharp end up against your skin. Staple that there, fold it, make your clip, insert your rubber band, staple twice this time on either side, and then trim it. And then when you go to put on your mask, make sure that that wire piece that you just put in is against your face, and pull that, push that down. See how flexible it is? Bends really easy. And then you can put your rubber bands around your ears. Hold this against your nose. Fan out your mask. Adjust that. And you have a mask that took probably 3 minutes to make for about 8 cents. Peace.